Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Szechuan spicy lo mein or dried tossed noodles. So let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare the dry ingredients for the sauce. Add in 1 tablespoon of grounded chili. If you want it more spicy, add more. Less spicy, add less. No problem at all. Put it in. 1 tablespoon of grounded Szechuan pepper. Same thing, if you want more numbness, add more. Less, add less. Just pour them into your big mixing bowl. Half a bulb of garlic chopped up. Put it in. And also 2 stalks of spring onion chopped up. Put them all in. Add in 60 milliliters of heated oil. I'm using medium heat and heat the oil until it smokes like this. We need this because it will bring out the fragrance of the garlic as well as the spring onions and the rest of the dry ingredients. Stir it up, mix it up well. You can already start to smell the beautiful fragrance that's coming out from here. Now we add in our seasoning. Add in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Now if you like your sauce to be a little bit more tangy, you can always add vinegar if you want to. Adjust the saltiness to your liking. If it's not salty enough, add a little bit more of a soy sauce, no problem at all. Then we just mix this up. This will be our sauce for the noodles. Now all we have to do is blanch some noodles and then mix it with this beautiful sauce. Now we're going to blanch our noodles. Boil up a pot of water. I'm using medium-high heat over here. Make sure it's boiling. Add in your dried noodles. I'm using 160 grams of dried noodles over here. This is good for 2-person or for 3-person as a snack. Now you can use any noodles that you want, but for a more traditional taste, I would suggest that you use the Asian or Chinese noodles. So just pop everything in. I reckon that we will need to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes or 3 minutes. You can cook the noodles to the texture that you like, be it softer or al dente, all depends on you. Make sure that your water is boiling, otherwise your noodles might be clumping together. This is a very easy dish to do and it's extremely delicious. If you want, you can also blanch some vegetables to go with the noodles, fry an egg, or even add in some roasted peanuts as well as crispy anchovies. It's really up to you. It's almost done. Now I'll just test whether the noodles are done or not. Just remove one strand from here. Try it, and if it's a bit too hot, then just cook it for a little while more. The noodles should be done already. I'll now turn off the flame and pour out the water. Just drain them out. Now all we have to do is just put the noodles in and mix it up with the sauce. Very simple dish and extremely delicious. Make sure you mix them up well. Get all the flavors in. This is going to be so good. Once you have mixed them up well, if you want more greens inside your noodles, feel free to add in a little bit more spring onions, like what I'm doing right now. Plus a good sprinkle of sesame seed for that beautiful fragrance. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow, this is extremely fragrant. Let's try this now. I love the spiciness, a hint of numbness. This is really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye.